Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the beautiful, artistic and charming town of Altea, but I am high up in Altea Hills. Today I'm going to be showing you a modern, luxurious coastal getaway home. This detached villa is on a plot of 1,063 square meters and the house itself is 600 square meters. It offers 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and is distributed on 4 floors. It has beautiful spaces to live for the family and great awe-inspiring views. So let's get on with the tour. Hello. So as I come into the property from the street, I'm coming in through electrical gates that open and onto the driveway. Now the outside as you enter this space is actually quite deceiving with this industrial style fence that covers the front beautifully without actually interrupting the spellbinding views that even, let's say, the parking space offers. Here is another electric gate that enables you comfortable entry onto an open parking space, and you also have fantastic access even from this level to what is your outdoor terraces to enjoy this fantastic location, literally offset with nature surrounding us. I mean, when this house unravels room by room, space by space, you will really see how they've thought about not only where they are and the views that we have, but also how the interior beautifully blends with it. So as you can see, this is a spacious terrace. But next to the terrace, they've also thought about the functionality of the home. And this also gives you a great idea of the architectural design with natural stone, elemental elements of the wood, along with those modern finishes that you get, obviously, with the aesthetic of the building. At the front here, you have the entry to the driveway space, but you do also have on this side an additional parking space where you have your covered carport, and then through here, you have your interior covered parking space. At the back there, you have those industrial style storage cupboards. You also have an extra zone here for parking even more vehicles, which is fantastic, as well as getting to enjoy even more of the views of what we can see over that way. Hello. As I'm coming in through the front door, the main entrance, right here you'll find that there is an elevator that gives one easy access to all of the floors in the home. But I am met with a warm, tonal and elemental, moody, but very inviting entry hall. This hall actually comprises of an open mudroom, as well as a door that leads to the terrace that I showed you, which is next to the parking spaces. Coming down this metal, robust and industrial stairwell, I'm now coming into the lower floor, which is also the main heart of the home. On this floor, you will find it comprises of an open plan kitchen, dining room and living room. Altogether, the space on this level is 89 square meters. On this side, which is the side where you'll find your lounge, this area of the space is 50 square meters. As you can see, it is beautifully decorated, giving you a very sense of wonderful intimacy and warmth with the tonal colours that they have used in the space. You have floor-to-ceiling doors and windows on all sides. So on this side, that gives you beautiful views as well as access to the terrace, but also on this side to the right of the fireplace right here. This is a great fire right here as a feature because it takes up very little space, but it's also wood burning for extra comfort on those cooler nights. And then as you come through into the space some more on this side, you find that this door leads you to a very clever, well hidden, well equipped guest bathroom. What I like with the architectural design on the outside is it gives you that touch of really nice contemporary looks. But then on the inside, you find that it kind of feels like it gives, I don't know, it gives me Bali vibes with the intimacy of the glass along with the green and then the nature that surrounds the home. So I'm coming over to this side, and this is where you would see the elevator that gives you access to this floor. Next to that, you would have your video intercom. And then I'm taking you into the family kitchen. This is a really spacious area of the house also. This area comprises of 46 square meters, and as you can see, this kitchen is giving good entertainment vibes. You have a large central island which gives you a breakfast bar on one side, as well as deep cabinetry on both sides for comfort. You also have your cooking hob and an extractor above, which is the Nusi. You have a continuation of your counters, spaces, as well as your storage cabinetry. On this side, you have the dishwasher, a double sink, more counter space. Then you also have your open storage closets, as well as your oven, microwave and wine chiller on this side. They have the double refrigerator on the other side. Through this door, however, this is a fantastic feature, I think, as it's giving you access very easily to a spacious and equipped laundry room. Here you would keep your washing machine and tumble dryer, and it also comes with a sink. But what I love is the fact that they have brought the interior and the exterior into this beautiful blend and fusion. This is what we would call a chill out, an interior but yet exterior living space that one can come and relax and enjoy the peace and serenity of the location. I love the fact that they have decorated it with this large exotic vegetation that gives it this really intimate and, ooh, I'm almost hidden vibe. Taking you from the chill out area through the laundry room, also right next to the kitchen, you have a very well equipped pantry and storage room. And then coming out of there, I'm going back into the kitchen, and I'm taking you across the way to explore some of the exterior. But before I do, this is the dining area, and this table is set to dine 4. On all sides, you see that there are large doors that open up completely and give you, again, full integration of the interior and the exterior. And I love that the colour palette also continues outside of the house as well. Here you have the outdoor kitchen and dining space. It is a fully equipped barbecue kitchen with a great space. Here is a dining table that is set to dine 6 and gives you fantastic area to not only enjoy the views but dine outside. You also have the convenience here, as you enter this area of the swimming pool, the outdoor shower. But can I say, this swimming pool, I love the feel of it. It feels very serene, like an oasis. It's a very spacious swimming pool, and it is overlooking the most exquisite, awe-inspiring views that I can have and see right now of Altea Hills, where we are here surrounded by all of this natural vegetation and pine forest, overlooking perfectly uninterrupted views of the Mediterranean Sea, the Bay of Altea I can see, the skyline of Benidorm I can see, and even further away I can see Alicante. It is truly spectacular how much nature we get to be exposed to where we are. So anyway, going back to the home, you have here a fantastic swimming pool that gives you a shallow end and a deep end and has steps that lead down. As well, on this terrace, you also have a very nice, spacious outdoor lounge spot where you can enjoy time with your family. And as I said, these doors open up fully to give you integration with the interior. Coming down the lift and into -2, this floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. Much like the rest of the home, each floor, the ceiling height is 2.6 metres. So from the spacious hallway, I'm going to take you directly into the first bedroom. This bedroom gives you a lovely interior design feel as you enter. It is spacious, it is warm and inviting, as well as relaxing. Altogether, the space is 43 square metres. You have here this spacious area where it is kept as the bedroom. You also have floor-to-ceiling doors that give you beautiful, impeccable views of the surrounding landscape, as well as a balcony terrace. You also have here an area that is dedicated to an office or a study nook. And then you have on this side the space dedicated to the spacious ensuite bathroom. So as you can see, it comprises of everything fully equipped and has a sand aesthetic as well. Coming out of this bedroom, you can see there is a wall of integrated wardrobes and cabinetry. It leads really nicely back into the hall, and then we go over the way to the second bedroom. This bedroom is a child's bedroom for the owners that live here at the moment, and it is really quite splendid how they've created a very intimate and inviting space for their child. So altogether, it is 60 square metres. On one side, they have the bedroom, which is the bed, as well as this shelving unit that separates the zones of the living space. You again have the patio doors that open out, as well as windows that invite in those fantastic views. On this side, they have dedicated it to a lounging spot and also an area where their child likes to practice some music, but they have left no expense spared with the ensuite bathroom. All of the bedrooms in this house provide impeccable ensuite bathrooms that are not only fully equipped, but give you a real sense of relaxation and luxury. Coming into the spacious hallway that is -3, this area of the home has been dedicated to the primary suite, and it is fully equipped. So you come in to the entry, you see that there is this door, and this door leads to the outdoor gardens and beautiful zones that the family have created. On this side, you have a sauna. You also have a jacuzzi, an extension of your gardens with this natural grass lawn that I can just skip on. It's a great opportunity to get really close to all of the nature that you have, and there's even a stairwell that leads down into your fruit tree garden from here as well. What I love, though, is that you have all of this additional outdoor living space, and it's not only in the sunshine, but also here roofed. And also what they've done is they've evolved with time with this build. So this house was built in 2013, but they have continuously added innovative ideas to the architectural design of it. And so the home comes with underfloor heating, which actually extends to this outer terrace here. Let's say, for example, you wanted to close off your spa, jacuzzi, sauna, chill-out area on this floor for the primary and actually have walls here instead. You could, and then it would be enclosed. But I love it being outside because you get to really feel the vibe of those views. So as you can see, it goes on. It continues all the way around, as does the lawn, which is fantastic. And now I'm going to take you back indoors. Right here you have another outdoor shower. And then you have also this door, which then leads you to a little guest toilet. Just a handy spot there. Now I'm going to take you into the primary suite. So the primary suite itself is 60 square metres. On this side, they have the actual bedroom, which is overlooking those same gardens. You have, again, floor-to-ceiling doors and windows that open out completely and give you access to the garden. But then you also have this beautiful space that they have created as an oasis for them to enjoy. So as I come into the space even more and go through, you'll find that this doorway leads to the walk-in closet for his and hers, and that is fully equipped. And then you also come into this area here, and it comes into the ensuite bathroom. The dark elemental tonal feels gives it a real sense of intimacy, and as you can see, it's equipped with 2 sinks and vanities and also a bath. So as you come out of the ensuite bathroom, I'm now going to take you over the way into the studio or the office. This is where the owner likes to get creative and also work, and it's a very peaceful and tranquil spot. It is 18 square meters and again has patio doors on one side that give you direct access to the terraces and gardens. 5 minutes drive can bring you to this great bay club, which is also known as the Altea Bay Club and Yacht Club. Here is the marina where you get to see beautiful boats moored here all day long, but also enjoy cafes, bars, restaurants, peace, tranquility, and the Mediterranean Sea. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €2,300 per year. The community fee is €2,000 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a stunning and beautiful family home. If you love contemporary finishes, but with real luxury and intimate comfort for a family, with natural stone elements throughout, overlooking spellbinding views, then this is really the house for you. It's also in a fantastic community. Altea Hills is a gated 24-hour community that provides wonderful services right here on site, not enabling you to just enjoy your home and not have to go too far. But if you did, you also have surrounding areas and towns that are truly worth exploring. If you do like this listing, then don't forget to check our website, which is Spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to like and also subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we will see you next time. Hasta pronto.